In Japanese, we use kara and node to give a reason for something. Basically, we say the reason first, then add kara or node, and then say what happens because of it. One of the differences between kara and node is the way the reason is expressed. Kara gives the reason more directly, so it sounds like, here's the reason for sentence 2, or here's my reasoning. On the other hand, node gives the reason in a more indirect way, and it sounds more like, here's the situation, and as a result, sentence 2 happens. In Japanese culture, being too direct often sounds less polite. So because kara is more direct, it naturally feels more casual and informal. So kara is used to give a reason in casual speech. But node is more indirect, so it naturally feels more polite and formal. So node is used in formal situations or polite conversation. Here's another basic difference. When we use a positive present na adjective or a noun, kara becomes dakara and node becomes nanode. For example, if you want to say because it's quiet, in casual speech you say shizuka dakara, and in polite speech you say shizuka nanode. The same rule applies to nouns too. So because it's a cat would be neko dakara in casual speech and neko nanode in polite speech. This change only happens with na adjectives and nouns, so with verbs and e adjectives, we just add kara or node directly after the plain form. Now here's another important difference. We can't use this after node. Let's say we want to say, I have a test, so I'm going to study. In casual speech, we say, テストがあるから勉強する. And in formal speech, we say, テストがあるので勉強します. Now, what if we just want to say the reason by itself, like, because I have a test? With kara, the casual version is テストがあるから. And to make it formal, we can say テストがありますから or テストがあるからです. But node is already formal, so there's no casual version of it. We can say テストがありますので to make it even more formal, or テストがあるので. And here, we might feel like adding this after node to make it more formal, but that's not correct because node cannot be followed by this. There's one more difference to know. Only kara can be used after the expression daro, which means probably. So if we want to say, we probably have a test, so I'm going to study, we can say, テストがあるだろうから勉強する. But we can't use node after だろう. So in formal speech, we just need to use a different structure. For example, probably we have a test, so I'm going to study is おそらくテストがあるので勉強します. Or you can say, I think we have a test, so I'm going to study. テストがあると思うので勉強します.